What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Detached Garage. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Sean and this channel is all about helping you guys plan, design, build, and upgrade your garage. In today's episode, we are in my existing garage and we're gonna throw those snow tires up there on my Audi A6. Let's get to it. Welcome back to Detached Garage, guys. Again, in today's episode, we're throwing those snow tires up on my Audi A6. We're gonna go through the whole process, and since it is Wisconsin and it's the beginning of November, we've already had 3 snows this year already. The other thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take a look at the new Milwaukee high torque 1/2-inch impact. I got the adapter on here to go to 3/8 because that's what my impact sockets are. So we're gonna use those to take the existing tires off the car, and then we're going to use a torque wrench to put the new tires back on. So take you through the process. There's gonna be a lot of time lapse here, but overall, excited to get the snow tires on the car. Let's get to it. All right, guys, 2 things that people sometimes forget about when you're taking the tires off and you're putting the new ones on. Some anti-seize around the hub area will really help you get the wheels off when you get to the next season. So if you're running them all summer, do it when you rotate the tires, and do it right before you put the tires back on. Put it right around that hub area, not on your brakes, and it'll help you get that wheel off when you're changing the tires or rotating the tires the next time. Let's get to it. So, Nokian HAKKAPELIiTA tires, R2. So had these for about 2 seasons now. So absolutely love them. Went with them over the Blizzaks and got a second set of pretty cheap rims. They're NK rims, but they do fine in the snow. And if I get them a little scuffed up, it is not an issue. We'll get those other ones cleaned up. I really want to try a new product actually. We'll kind of link that, or I won't link it in the description, but we'll talk about it a little later in another episode. So it's basically a mount that you set the tire on that you can spin the tire on to get it cleaned up. So yeah, let's get this tire installed and then we'll keep going around. All right, guys, so before we go to the other side, we are going to torque down this side. After I get the other side done, I'll come down and torque the entire car again just to be sure, and then we'll go from there. All right, guys, so we got all 4 wheels on. I'm gonna drop the car down. We're gonna go torque these. We're gonna go to the other side, retorque those, and then we're gonna go for a drive, come back and retorque everything again. Let's get to it. All right, guys, we got the car back on the ground. We got everything torqued. I'm gonna take it for a lap around the neighborhood, then bring it back and torque everything up again. I'll leave you guys here and hope you guys enjoyed this episode, swapping the snow tires out, something we really need to do in Wisconsin. The only part of your car that touches the road are 4 tires. So make sure you have the right tires for the seasons you're driving in. Hope you guys enjoyed the episode. Stay tuned for more. Talk to you soon.